In this video, we are going to discuss ASCII code. ASCII is the acronym for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII code is the standard alphanumeric binary code to represent alphanumeric character set. This ASCII code uses 7-bit binary code to represent 128 alphanumeric characters that includes the numbers from 0 to 9, alphabets from A to Z, which includes both uppercase and lowercase letters, special characters such as $sign, plus sign and equal sign, etc. and control characters such as null, end of text, etc. Numbers from 0 to 9 are represented by 7-bit alphanumeric binary code that is equivalent to the decimal value 30 to 39. Whereas alphabets from A to Z are represented by the 7-bit ASCII code that is equivalent to the decimal value from 65 to 90 and 97 to 122. Special characters are represented by the ASCII code that is equivalent to the decimal values from 32 to 47, 58 to 64, 91 to 96 and 123 to 126. Whereas the control characters are represented by the ASCII code that is equivalent to the decimal values 0 to 31 and 127. Here these control characters are non-printable characters which are used to send commands to computers or to printers. So whereas other alphanumeric characters coming under the category numbers, alphabets and special characters are printable characters. In this table, decimal values and ASCII binary codes are given for the uppercase alphabets from A to Z, numerals from 0 to 9, special characters such as space, full stop, open bracket, plus $sign and one of the control character null. And this table does not include the complete information for all the 128 characters. And this table includes only the partial information and is given just for your reference. Now let's find out the alphanumeric information for the given ASCII code sequence. Okay, to find out the alphanumeric information for this sequence, first we have to break the sequence into 7-bit binary code. So if you break it into 7-bit binary code, we will get 3 ASCII code. So we know that ASCII code is a 7-bit binary code. Okay, so for this ASCII code, we have to find out the alphanumeric character. That is our task. Okay, to find out this alphanumeric character, we usually convert the given ASCII code, that is 7-bit binary code, into decimal value. And then from the decimal value, it is very easy to find out the corresponding alphanumeric character. Okay, so first let's convert the given binary code into decimal value. And we know this process. That what's the process? The weights of the bits present in this binary code has to be added. So here bits in the 0th position, 1st position, 2nd position and 6th position are present. That's why, so its weights are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 and 2 power 6. Okay, the value for 2 power 0 is 1, for 2 power 1 is 2 and for 2 power 2 it is 4 and for 2 power 6 it is 64. If we add all these weights, we will get the decimal value 71. Now we got the decimal value 71. Now it's very easy to find out the corresponding alphanumeric character because we know the decimal value sequence, that 65 to 90, which is equivalent to the ASCII code that represents the uppercase alphabets A to Z. Okay, since 71 is the decimal value, this is the 7th decimal value in this sequence. It represents the 7th alphabet, that is uppercase alphabet. That's nothing but G. So very similar to this process, we can find out the corresponding alphanumeric character for the given ASCII code. First by converting it into decimal value, and then from the decimal value it is very easy to find out the corresponding alphanumeric character. Now let's cross check the ASCII binary code, its decimal value and the corresponding alphanumeric character with this table. So let's take this combination, that is 1 0 0 1 1 1. It is represented here its decimal value is given here, and the corresponding alphanumeric character is G. And for this combination, it is 1 followed by 5 zeros and 1. So it is given here. For this ASCII code, the corresponding decimal value is 65 and the alphanumeric character is A. And for this ASCII code, 1 followed by 4 zeros and 1 0. For this ASCII code, its decimal value is 66 and alphanumeric character is B. So like this, we can find out the alphanumeric information for any given ASCII code sequence. First by converting the ASCII code into decimal value, and then from the decimal value to corresponding alphanumeric character. Now let's find out the ASCII code for the given alphanumeric information CAB. Here in this alphanumeric information, all the alphanumeric characters are uppercase alphabets. Okay. So first task in converting the given alphanumeric information into ASCII code is that we have to find out the decimal values for every alphanumeric character. And we know that for uppercase alphabets, the decimal values that is equivalent to the ASCII code that represents the uppercase alphabets are 65 to 90. So since C is the third letter in the alphabet sequence, let's take the third decimal value, that is 67. Similarly, since A is the first alphabet in the alphabet sequence, let's take the first decimal value in the sequence. Similarly, since B is the second alphabet, let's take the second value in the sequence. Now we got decimal values for all the alphanumeric character. For these decimal values, we can easily find out the 7-bit binary code. Okay, so here this is the 7-bit binary code for the decimal value 67, and this is the 7-bit binary code for the decimal value 65, and this is the 7-bit binary code for the decimal value 66. Now we finally got 3 ASCII code. So viewers, in this video we have learnt about ASCII code and how to convert the ASCII code sequence into alphanumeric information and vice versa. If you find this video is useful to you, kindly subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.